Hi, today we are learning how to make turmeric powder at home. Turmeric has so many benefits and you can sun dry it and make turmeric powder for your own home use. First of all, you have to ensure that your turmeric rhizomes are clean, and I'm going to be using this slicer. You can also choose to use a sharp knife and cut your turmeric in very thin slices. I prefer to make my turmeric powder from rhizomes that still have the skin. And let's get started. So you're just going to use slicer and thinly slice all your turmeric rhizomes. You could also boil your turmeric before you slice it. This option is it's not a must. It's very optional. They say that it improves the color and also the flavor. And I've tried both ways, and I can tell you that it's not really necessary. You can go ahead and slice and dry your turmeric without boiling it. Once we are done with our slicing, we are then going to go ahead and spread them on a metal tray. You want to ensure that they are on one layer, leaving spaces in between to encourage airflow and faster drying. The drying time should be anywhere between 1 or 2 days, depending on the strength of your sunshine. Mine took up to 2 days to dry. When they finally dry, they should feel crispy to the touch and they should break easily. At this stage, they are ready for the next stage, which is the powdering process. I am using a spice grinder that comes with your blender. You can also use a mortar and pestle to grind your turmeric. You'll achieve the same results. And finally, now we have our turmeric powder that is fine in consistency and you can use at home to your liking. I'm going to go ahead and store this in a glass jar safely and tightly for longer storage. Thank you so much for watching. My hope is that you learned something new about making turmeric powder at home. I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Bye.